Hi there, I'm Dr. Debbie Smith, and I started this channel because I know that women are often frustrated with their husbands. I know I've certainly been there many times myself. And my goal is to actually give you some information, and I'm going to give it to you just in little snippets. So, generally, my videos are from 3 to 7 to maybe the longest one might be 10 minutes long. But I just want to give you in each one of those a little truth that you can begin to apply and to your relationship and just see how it works for you. I do want to encourage you not to judge what I have to say by any one particular video because they're all put together in a whole that is based on a biblical model and also a research based model and my experience more than 20 years working with individuals and couples and teaching other counselors how to work with couples. So I hope you'll subscribe and click the bell so you're notified when I release something new. I put new videos out almost every week, and I look forward to hearing from you about how they help. Okay, take care. We'll see you soon.